I'm your teacher Tashveen with another beautiful day for your English lecture. So my little kids, we are going to have fun today and we are going to learn our new letter and so many things. So we are going to sing a song in our circle time, that is song about our feelings when you are happy or when you are sad, and sometimes you are mad also. So don't to be mad and sad, just try to be happy all the time. So my little kids, we are going to have our circle time. So let's start. Kids, today we are going to learn our new letter, that is H. Okay, I will give you some clues and see if you can guess this. It's your body parts on your body, and you can use this in all the time in different ways. Maybe you use it to pick up something or to touch or to feel, and it has 5 Fingers. Yes, it's your hand. 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 You can feel hand. So today we are going to learn a new letter, that is H, and the sound of H is hand. Hand. Okay kids, so we are going to learn its letter H, its formation, and also we are going to have fun with letter H. Okay, so let's start. Kids, here we made a horse. 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 Okay, you can see horse. Horse. Okay, kids, look at this. We can see uppercase H and a lowercase h. Although they look different, but they make same sound. Okay, H, you can feel it on your hand. H. Now we are going to trace uppercase H and a lowercase h. Always do remember that we are going to start from the top. Okay, put your finger over here. Start from the top, come down, then go other side. Start from the top, come down, make a line in the middle. It's a uppercase H. And for lowercase h, start from the top, come down, then make a hum. Put your pencil in the middle and then make a hum. It's a lowercase h. H. Kids, let's start tracing our letter H. Okay, here is uppercase H and here is lowercase h. You can also do this practice on your copies, notebooks, and also if you have this whiteboard or a marker, you can do this practice as well. Okay, let's start from the top. I put the marker on the dot. Okay, start from the top, start joining these dots and come down, then go other side. Start from the top, come down, make a line, and then go in the middle, start joining these dots and make a line in the middle. It's a uppercase H. And for lowercase h, we again go start from the top, start joining these dots, then come down, okay, and go back in the middle and then make a hum. It's a lowercase h. Kids, it's a picture, and in this picture we are going to start our letter H, hunt. Okay, so are you ready? Here we go. First we are going to trace letter H. The sound of H is okay. We can see a hairy hat man. Okay, and also we can see a hairy house, helicopter, horse, hen, hand. Again, I am going to find out hat, hair, hand, hairy hat man, hen, horse, hairy house, helicopter. Kids, it's time to do our letter chant, and we just pretending to give ourselves a hug. 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 Okay, let's start our letter chant from letter A and do it along all way till H. Okay. Adam's apple, A. Adam's apple, A. Adam's apple, A. B. Bug. B. Bug. B. Bug. C. Cut. C. Cut. seek, cut. D, dance. D, dance. Okay. E, elbow. E, elbow. E, elbow. F, fist. Fist. F, fist. G, guitar. G, guitar. G, guitar. H, hug. 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 Okay, kids, clap for yourself. And thank you everyone for doing all these actions with me. So you have to keep practicing on these actions. Kids, I hope you have a happy day, and you can go for letter H hunt. You can look a book or around your house for upper and lowercase h. So take care of yourself. Bye bye my friends. Bye bye. Bye bye.